So hello guys, today in this video we are going to learn about the derivation of the formula of kinetic energy. It is one of the important formula. Before derivation you have to know some important things. So I derived it. Kinetic energy is equals to 1 by 2 mv square. So it is half of mv square. Derivation of the formula of kinetic energy. So to derive we have to let us consider of a body mass. Body m mass m initially at rest. When the body is at rest, their u is equals to 0, is moving with an acceleration a. So guys, it is moving with the acceleration a. Let v be the final velocity. In the figure, v is the final velocity acquired by the body in the moving or distance s. We can see our figure. It is the distance s, acceleration u is equals to 0. Here is the force. According to the equation of motion we know that v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So v square is equals to, so guys you can see here u is equals to 0. Simply I put it here 0 square plus 2as since u is equals to 0. So now this as come here, then v square here remaining is 2a divided by 2a. Again we know that kinetic energy is equals to work done. Work done is equals to F into S. So guys, F is equals to ma is one of the important derivation in the science. I have uploaded my video in this channel F into ma. If you did not watch it, then watch it. In that video you can clear all your doubts and concept. So here S is equals to v square by 2a. In the same way, so here is 2a, we can simply write here half mv square. So kinetic energy is equals to half mv square proved. So guys, this is all about the derivation. How do you like the video? Please mention your feedback in the comment section. Your feedbacks matters a lot for me. Subscribe to our YouTube channel DigiFactions.